But that is really a sweet baby. She's a little shy.
She's smiling. She's smiling. Look at her.
Cool.
She won't let me move her back. That's the thing.
She heard you call her a sweet baby.
I was call her sweet baby again if I thought it would work, but I know these little guys.
She smiled.
There
That's
we
so
go.
cute.
Almost. Come on.
I can see her tongue. Is that her tongue?
Yeah.
Is she sticking out her tongue?
She's mad. Ask Mom.
She's so
Oh,
cute.
there's stuff going on in there now. That lady's messing with her. There you go. Move that hand and I'll leave you alone. Move it. Look at that bottom lip. There you go. Push it further, further, further. Push it off of there.
Oh, look, she opened her mouth.
Good job.
You want me to freeze it?
Yeah, freeze it because I don't want to let go. Got it?
Oh.
Which one with the smile? Which one was it?
Oh, there's.
There.
Oh, that is cute.
Hot dog. She did good. She's a good quick study.
That's right.
That's what she needed to be. She did good, guys.
She's
This
beautiful.
was a slow starter, Mom.
The tongue right there, looking hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She got her tongue. She thinks it's yummy. What was Mom eating on the way? I don't know. Nothing?
I had mine eaten earlier today. Thai food.
See, and you can see
That's
what
what
she
it's
does
hot.
when I push
Yeah.
against her. She's all over there. She just goes away. Some of them do that. Some of them don't pay any attention at all. All right, you can try and see if you got any more in there you can get off. And they have a party set up for you guys. Yeah, you ready? And what
Yeah.
I'm going to do in just about 2 seconds, I'm going to come in there. Erica, you want to move the ultrasound machine, the little laptop in there? And I'll pull up constant.
Okay.
And then it will play what we just saw over and over. And hopefully, if my speaker did really well, you'll be able to hear what everybody said.